In this video, we'll show you how to act on opportunities to diversify your pharmacy revenue with EnlivenHealth Restore. Choose the Opportunities tab in the left-hand menu of your EnlivenHealth account and scroll down to the EnlivenHealth Restore section. Select Nutrient Depletion from the work list. Here it shows all the patients that are taking a medication that causes a deficiency. Click on a patient to open a handout explaining the side effects of their medications and the benefit of adding a supplement to improve their health and well-being. The handout is customizable, so you can adjust the language or add a coupon for your store. Print a copy to mail to the patient or give to them the next time they come into the pharmacy. Next in the work list is the Naloxone report. This pulls up patients who regularly fill medications that could put them at risk of an opioid overdose. Click on Print Handout to generate a letter for your patient explaining the importance of having Naloxone on hand in case of an emergency. Now, let's go over the Ananda CBD report. This report helps you easily see patients who may benefit from adjunctive CBD therapy. Once you've selected a patient, you'll be able to print a handout or send a letter. The handouts vary based on the patient's medication list to further customize for their specific scenario. The flu vaccination report lists patients at your pharmacy who have not yet received a flu vaccination. We pull this data directly from your pharmacy system. That way, it is up to date during flu season. Finally, let's look at the OTC Birthday Promo Report. This is essentially a birthday card with a graphic and a coupon to show customer appreciation. That's it. If you have any questions about identifying opportunities in EnlivenHealth Restore, our support team is always ready to assist you. Thanks for watching.